Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a featured game list class. So open your Android Studio, go to app directory, then go to Java under your package name. As you can see, we have a list directory. So inside this list directory, we can create our featured game list, right? Right click on list, select new, then select Java class and name your game list as a featured game list. Okay. Now press enter. As you can see, our list has been created successfully. Now you have to implement a serializable as like we have created in our category list, right? So let's implement serializable. Okay, now it's fine. Now we have to create our some private variables. Let me show you. Copy your featured games URL. Okay, open new tab, paste it there, select enter. And sorry, let me copy this whole one and go to JSON formatter. Now inside this one, paste it here, and now you can easily understand it here. As you can see, we have to game name, game image, game URL, game category, and game description, right? So first one, copy this one game name. Okay. Now make a serializable. Serialized name. Now paste it there. Now create a private string. As you can see, it is a string. So let's create a game name string. Create another serialized name for another game image. Create a private string for game image. Now copy game URL. Just paste it there. Now copy game category. Paste it there. Copy game description. Make it private string game description, right? Now it has been done. Now we have to create a constructor and getter. Okay. In the last video for the category video, we have created same things by pressing Alt plus insert key, right? So press Alt plus insert key from your keyboard. Okay. Now then select first one constructor. Enter on it. Now select all these by pressing Shift and arrow down. Okay. Now press OK. As you can see, it has been ready. Now after this line, now we have to create a getter. So press Alt plus insert again and go to getter. Okay. Now press enter. Now select all these values by Shift plus down arrow key. Then press OK. Now as you can see, our getter is also ready. Now as you can see, our featured game list is ready. Okay, so if you sort out these warnings, just alt plus enter on it, and they are saying let's make game name final. Okay, so add the final to every private variable like this one, and you do not how to add, just simply then again alt plus enter and make game category final. same as this, alt plus enter and select make game description final, and it is done. Okay, now there is warnings of empty resources. Okay, now our video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.